Good day friends, today I bring you guys a special offer. Now there is a new way that has been introduced on this platform where you can actually earn and win great rewards even without starting with any form of capital whatsoever. Now through this platform is actually called Coinrise. I've made a lot of video guide concerning it. Now they have introduced a new way for you to actually earn, and you are not going to be even imputing any amount. You're not going to be starting up with any capital whatsoever. All you just need to do if you want to get started on this platform, that is if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, is to just click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the comment section. I'm going to be pinning the link there, and I'm also going to be pinning a link to the video where you can actually trade with real funds and you can earn good amounts for yourself. Now for this one, you are going to be trading with a demo account, and on this demo account, which is called Simulation, you are going to be earning rewards, real-time life reward that can be paid to you through their customer support after you meet some certain requirements. Now for this, you can even win as far as winning iPhone 15 Pro, and you can also earn USDT, and you can also even earn win a motorcycle, and it will be delivered to you from wherever you are around the world. So let me quickly just break this down for you guys, for you to see here and understand. Now we'll have what is called the Novice Simulation Demonstration Reward. For instance, now once you register on this platform, you are going to be getting a free what we call simulation account, which is also known as a demo account. If you click on this icon here called simulation, it's going to bring you to a demo account which you have around 20,000 USDT available balance for you here, which you can also you can use this balance to trade. You understand, this is like a demo account. It's not actually withdrawable funds, but you can use this account, you can use the demo account to trade, and once you make profit and reach some certain threshold, you'll be given reward for that. For example, what you have here is around what 20,000 USDT, right? So if you can be able to trade this 20,000 USDT and hit around 30,000 USDT, you will be earning 5 TRX. If you break through 50,000, you will be earning 10 TRX. If you now break through 400,000, you earn 10 USDT. If you break through 1.5, well, that's 1.5 million, you'll be earning you win a motorcycle, and it will be delivered to you from wherever you are in the world. Just send your proof of reach to the customer support, or you contact me live through my Telegram channel, which is in the pinned comments of this video. And also once you break through 5 million, you'll be able to earn Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now isn't that interesting? Now for those of you that have been trading on this platform, you must have understood that there are 2 layers to this platform. Now again, let me show you guys this stuff. Now this is actually my own personal account, and there are real funds here, and this is just my personal account. I'm just showing you guys the simulation account where you can actually trade and earn. Now this is what you guys have to note here, is that once you start up on this platform, this is what you are going to earn. Primarily, you are going to be earning what is called the CRB. Now CRB token is actually currently worth around 140 USDT. Now once you log in and you register on this platform, you will earn this token all for free, but it is not yet launched. You understand? So once this platform launch it, you'll be able to now trade this token for real value. Now the CRB is like the official native token for this platform. You understand? So I want you guys to really take advantage of this. This is something you can do and you can earn money. Now if you want to actually trade with refunds so that you can make money, I'm going to be attaching a video guide to this post, where you can actually, if you feel like, okay, I want to trade refunds here and make good profit for myself, I'll attach a video to you so you can watch that video, then know how you can trade there and earn. This one I made is for you to be able to earn without even starting up with any capital, how you can earn reward using the simulation account. Now the next thing for me to do is that I want to show you there are different ways if you want to trade using their signal. We have the 5-minute signal timer, which you can see here. Now the 5-minute signal timer that you can use to trade, the signal is being given twice a day. In the morning is 9 a.m. West African time, which is 8 a.m. UTC. Then the evening session is 5 p.m. West African time, which is 8 a.m. UTC. Now we have the signal for this is 5 minutes. All the links, I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video. We have the color prediction, and this is color prediction for ETH color prediction. And then we have the BTC signal group. This is here. This is how to trade. Now if you want to understand how to perfectly trade, all you are just going to do is that you are going to click down the link in the description box of this video. You understand? Make sure you click down. There is I'm going to attach a pin video. You understand? Like at the end screen of this video, where you can know how to actually officially trade. Now on that video, you learn how to trade, and you can now use that method of trading to trade with this simulation account that is going to be given to you. Now there is another way for you to earn here, is that there are different kind of streak if you win. For example, if you have a 5-win streak, you get a free 1 USDT. Now please note, if you are going to be starting up on this platform with actually refunds, you are going to be earning a free deposit bonus. For example, if you register on this platform, you are going to be earning a 10% bonus off your own capital. Now these are all the streak rewards that you can earn. Please make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel so you can see all this stuff for yourself and know how you can earn different rewards. Now again, we have what is called also the compensation rule. Now we have different compensation rule for ETH and then for ETH and then for what BTC. Now that one is actually different. This compensation has to do with those people that are actually trading with a live account, you understand? So maybe probably when you are trading and you have a good you come into like some certain loss, there are different compensation that is being given to you. Now the compensation for ETH is quite different from that of what BTC. Now you can just take your time, pause this video and read through this that you are seeing on my screen so you can understand for yourself. However, what I'm just strictly emphasizing on is how you can actually earn using this simulation account. Maybe you can trade with a 5-minute signal, 3-minute signal group, or the 1-minute signal group, and you can just trade comfortably from the comfort zone of your home, and then you earn reward. Once you earn this reward, these are something that you can actually withdraw live into your account, and you are making money daily for yourself even without starting up with any amount whatsoever. You can see display right on my account. You can earn free rewards here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. If you have any question, make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comment of this video. On my Telegram channel, you can participate in different token adoption, and you can earn different reward and learn different things as far as Web3 is concerned, and you position yourself even as we are in the bull run of this season. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comment of this video. Make sure you find your way there. Thank you.